Are you? Did you? Hey everyone, welcome. And today I'm gonna play Roblox. And right now I'm at the beach. Oh, no, there's okay, I'm gonna show you around this place. Actually, I just showed my mom around this place. Okay, so I'm gonna show you upstairs. Just kidding, I'm not. Because upstairs are really long. But there's a new place. Another new place. Another thing. Just right here and it's so adorable to me. So I'm just going to show you here. Here's a little thing that you design your character just like I did just now. And here's a little playground. If you have any kids, why don't? I tried it to get some kids. I have no idea what these people get kids from. Just kidding. People come and play this game and turn themselves into a kid. And then they look for a kid and they found the kid. They painted it. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite part. It's the house though. Right. So there's a lot of steps. 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor. But usually there's a lot of steps. Let's do that again. Oh, happened again. Wow, Miss Miley. Alright, let's go up the stairs. Oh, Mommy, I forgot to show you this little balcony. So awesome. Yeah, this house is awesome, right? I didn't show you all the rooms, did I? Oh, I didn't show you one of these rooms. So, there's a lot of rooms here. And you go over here and... Oh, I never saw this one, actually. Never really saw this house. Here's a little picture frame. Here's another room that has nothing completely in it. Okay, that's weird though. Where is it? Oh, it's I went out the room. There's a lot of doors here. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Okay, but everything's the same thing, I think. So let's keep a check in these doors. Everything's not the same. Oh, but that was a door. How did you get in there so fast? And you no! I just fell off. That's not funny. That's weird. Someone's just dancing on the stairs for no reason. It's like, this is the wedding birthday of my life. Okay, that was so funny. Okay, we're almost upstairs. Yeah, we're almost. Up we go, upstairs we go, and we're almost at the last floor. And how's this ducky already in here? And I go up these stairs. You guys didn't notice? This place is cool. I should have stepped on the bed. It's kind of cool, but it's not. And this donkey just... Okay, gotta show you this room. Oh, it's okay now. So this is where I change my clothes, and this is where I sleep. It's kind of bouncing, like boing, 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 boing. Yeah, like SpongeBob SquarePants. And little boxes. I think it's TNT. Just kidding. What is those? What the? Why is a carrot there? There's a carrot literally just there. And that's a bee thing. That's a bee thing. You know the little things that they sting people. You know the little body. Why is that part of their body there? Have a little nice view right here to the beach. Get out of my room. Get out of my room. And you get out of my room, miss. Oh, that's all. Get out. That's the chimney. Oh, no. And I think that's it. Wait, here's a little balcony. Whoa. That's, I think I showed you this whole house. Let me check. Did you? I did. So, once you're downstairs, see? Show you downstairs too fast. See, why is there trees in the house? For real, there's trees in the house. But guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to jump out this house. Not this world. Out this house. Don't really do that in real life. Don't. You kill yourself. This is just real life.